Finding the greatest common factor of two numbers. In the previous lesson, you learned how to list every factor of a given number. We're going to use that same process in this lesson to list all the factors of each of these numbers and then find the greatest number that they have in common. That is what we call the GCF, the greatest common factor. All right. So to do this, I'm going to start by listing each number separately and listing all of the factors of that number just like we've practiced. So 45 is 1 times 45. It's not divisible by 2 because it ends in a 5. It is divisible by 3. It is 3 times 15. It is not divisible by 4 because 4 times 11 is 44, and we're just one number over that. But it is divisible by 5 because it ends in a 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Then we get to 6, but it's not divisible by 6 or 7 or 8, and so then we get to 9, and we know we've got all of our factors. Now the number 72. Well, we know that 1 times 72 is 72. We know it's divisible by 2 because 72 ends in a 2. It's even. So 2 times what? Well, 2 times 36. 72 is also divisible by 3, and we know that because if we add the 7 and the 2, we get 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So is 72. So 3 times what number is 72? Well, that will be 24. Again, you can use a calculator or just think quick long division here. 3 goes into 7 2 times. Multiply, we get 6. Subtract, we get 1. 12, 3 times what is 12, and that's 4. So 3 times 24. All right, 72 divided by 4. Is 72 divisible by 4? The answer is yes. You might not have noticed that, but 72 is divisible by 4. So again, either a calculator or if you want to divide it, you know that 4 goes into 7 one time, and you get 3. When you subtract, bring down the 2, 4 goes into 32 8 times. So it's 4 times 18. Now, just so you know, I do not have enough space here, but there are still some factors, so we're going to need to keep listing. And sometimes that happens when you're finding all of the factors. All right, so we've done 4. Is 72 divisible by 5? No, it's not, because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Is it divisible by 6? What do you think? Yes, it is. 72 is divisible by 6. 6 times what number? Well, 6 goes into, again, we can do another long division, or you can use our calculator. 6 goes into 7 one time. We subtract and we get 1, and we get a 12, and that's 2. So it's 6 times 12. I'm actually going to leave some space here because I know there's actually one more factor pair here, one more set of factors. We're going to keep going. So 72 is divisible by 6. It's not divisible by 7 because it would need to be 77. It's not. Is it divisible by 8? And the answer is yes, it is. Okay, 8 times 9 is 72. So 72 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 factors. Now the question is, which factors, I guess we could say, are in common between 45 and 72? I'm just going to circle all the factors that are common for a second. Okay, 1 is common, 3 is common, 5 is not, 9 is common, 15 is not, and 45 is not. Okay, so the ones that are in common between the two factors, or between the two numbers, is 9. The greatest common factor is 9.